Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. What is happening is that now I'm getting a lot of questions on my channel Musings by Amit, and I feel that I need to set up some time to go live so that people can directly ask me questions in the chat and I can answer them when they have the question in their mind. So I have built a community where this channel has touched around close to 350,000 people, because 350,000 people have watched at least one of my videos, and there are 6,500 plus subscribers on the channel now. Okay, if any of you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe, because I will come with this live every time. Sashi, thanks again, sir, for your advice. You cleared my confusion which I have about mindset regarding switching companies. Yes, I don't know. Switching companies always looked at bad. You should have a real reason to switch companies. If your company is closing down, you have no choice. You have to switch. If you're not happy with the work you are doing, because you want to do certain kind of work and you're not getting that work, and you are unhappy and you tried everything. Maybe you had all the patience for 1 year. You tried everything to get the type of work, but it's not working out. Then you're switching your team. Okay, see, here is the thing. Let's say if you are a cricketer and there are 16 players, okay, and there are 11 players mostly who get to play the match, but there are these 4 or 5 players who sometimes get to play the match, but they are in that team of 16 players. Okay, now they go to Bangladesh. Now 3 players from this 5 players who are on the bench get a chance to play. They have to do their best on that day. Okay, so the world will notice, even if it is even if it is a small team, whatever team it is, even if they have been called because somebody is on rest. So what you have in front of you, I always say, get the best from what you have instead of thinking about everything that you don't have. Okay, if you start focusing on what you have in front of you, then it will become very easy to be successful. I have always focused on what is in front of me. Okay, in front of me is this video, is this live chat in front of me. So my focus is only on that. मतलब शाम को क्या होने वाला है, पहले क्या हुआ था, nothing of that sort. Okay, so once you do that, switching companies will go away from your mind. Do your best, and when you start doing your best, you'll be surprised at opportunities start knocking on your door. Okay, I call it the reverse effect. And the reverse effect is when you start becoming the best, your manager will start promoting you. Some company will somehow, you in a conversation, somebody will find you very good. Your client will approach you and say, oh, you are working for this services company, come and work for us. We'll give you a higher pay. We will give you everything. We'll call you to US, everything, so you should think about that, okay, before switching companies. So do the best in what you have. Automatically rest of the things will line up. It's the universal formula, and believe me, I'm sure that you will be successful in whatever you are doing. Don't worry. The world is saying that software engineers are not required. I have an opposite view. More software engineers are required as we go forward. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay focused, stay rich, and see you in the next live.